I've mixed up some resin, equal parts A and B, counterculture, medium viscosity. Mixed it for 6 minutes. I had to coat a piece, and so I've got, I don't know, maybe about 10 ounces here, which is more than I need. I'm going to try out a shell coaster. I've got a pyramid, a hexagon pyramid for rings. So it's got a stand, and then the silicone mold fits inside of it, which is really, really cool. That holds it in place while it's curing. I'm assuming I can use this resin in there. I have no idea. Hopefully it won't melt or explode. Just not thought of that. Okay. So I'm going to take a 5-ounce cup, pour some resin into that. And with this, I'm going to put the mica pearl shimmer from Counterculture in this large cup. I just want to see what it looks like. I've added it to other stuff. It's got kind of a violet shimmer, very slightly. So we're just going to give it a real huge shout out and see what happens, because that stuff looks pretty. It's pearl, but it has a kind of blue, violet, iridescent feel to it, which I like that a lot. So maybe we'll throw in some Patty Simcox glitter. Try out some of these that I just got in. I'm just going to put a couple of spoonfuls, see what that looks like. Now do I want to add, let's go ahead and put it a drop or two of Baja Blue alcohol ink. So I'm going to take this, and this shell holds about 3 ounces, so I'm just going to start with this pale blue. I don't want the whole thing to be pale blue, so I'm going to just do part of it. Part of that. I'm going to put a drop of magenta in. So now it goes more purple. Ooh, that's pretty. Couple more drops. Pour a little of that in there. We're going to build our way okay, I'm going to leave that for a minute. Okay, on this one I'm going to use the pearl shimmer again. I should have popped bubbles before I put that second layer in. Totally forgot to do that. Okay, I got a purple alcohol ink. I'm going to go to the purple now. Got some purple glitter. Throw in some purple glitter. It's not going to hurt anything, right? This is a new alcohol ink I just got. Oop. I'm not fast. Oh, with the color. That's beautiful. Got an earring mold and a couple of dog tags. Did I put chunkier glitter in here? Yes. This is Fantasia Purple Color Shift. want it to be a bit deeper, I think. And another drop. Oh, it comes out fast. That may be too much, but I'm going to put another drop of blue. Two drops. I hope this is not casting resin, so I just hope this doesn't do anything weird. I didn't think about that. I love periwinkle, and this interference or color shift or whatever it is in this resin mica powder, the pearl shimmer, whatever it is, it's just a beautiful color shift color. It's gorgeous. A little bit more. This is such a pretty color. Oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. This is warm. I'm just praying it doesn't do anything weird. Okay, I'm keeping the pyramid where I can see it for the next few hours. I'm not going to leave it in my studio. I'm going to take it where I am so that I can keep an eye on it. Since it's not casting resin, I just don't want anything weird to happen. So I will be back. Okay, it's been overnight. This is such a cool silicone mold. It goes inside this little torpedo looking plastic stand to keep it from tipping, and that way it stays standing up, which is, I thought, really a fabulous idea. I've never done a pyramid. I'll see if I can get it out without ripping the mold. And I did not use casting resin. I used artist resin. It warmed up a bit, but not really any more than it would in a regular mold that's pretty thick. So, alright. I'm pleased. That's beautiful. I love the colors. These are my happy favorite colors. Purples to periwinkle and some glitter. So that is, it's got a sharp point. It actually comes to 5 little points at the end. I don't know if you can see that. That will focus in or not. Can you see that? So, let me flip my mold back out. I can tell that this mold's not going to hold up for a long time. I can tell just by the lightweightness of it. If that's a word, lightweightness. So it's a ring holder. So you can take your wedding rings off or whatever and put them on your ring holder. So, alright, we're going to save the finale, that for last. I just can't wait. But anyway, so this is a new mold that I got. How cute is that? It's got a hole for a chain. So it can be a necklace, pendant, or a keychain. So even this could be embellished in the middle. I put some mica powder. That's the first time I've tried brushing mica powder, but I put it on really, really light. But it has an iridescent bluish, if you can see. That was the Pearl Shimmer by Counterculture DIY. You can see that there. I did a little dog chain thing, and then the bigger dog one. These colors are just so pretty. And these are angel wings. These came from Counterculture. And I was putting the torch to it, so I may or may not have got it stuck. Sometimes when your resin sticks to the mold. So I pulled out a little chunk, but it's not in the mold part, so that's a good thing. But it was my spillage that stuck to it, not the regular part. So here's on the back side, they just look like that, and on the front side they've got the glitter. And they are two little wings, or they make even a heart. Pretty as they are on the back side, and here's the front side with the glitter. This is a new mold I got. I'll put links where I got the molds under the video description. There's the glitter side. When you use glitter, it's always going to kind of sink to the bottom, and so it'll be on the reverse side, usually with glitter, and then one side it won't really show as much. So cute, cute, cute. First time I used this shell mold, I got it on Amazon. Gentle, gentle. No issues getting it off. This holds 3 ounces, by the way. It's a big mold, but you know it's concave, so it only holds 3 ounces. So I usually write on my mold somewhere with a black permanent marker how much a mold holds if I can't remember. Here it is. Okay, here's the back side, which is beautiful. I would have loved even if the top side looked like this. And you can see some glitter. So here is the top side. So this could be a soap dish, it could be a jewelry trinket tray. It's pretty good size, you know. You could put lots and lots of things. Put all your purple things in there and you can't see them, right? They just disappear. So there is the shell trinket dish, which is so pretty. Love the way the colors turned out. Again, that was just a couple of alcohol inks, which you can really probably use any brand. This is Counterculture Mica Pearl Shimmer, which has that iridescent bluish purple color. And Patty Simcox was the glitter I put into it, which is mostly blue, but it's got some pink undertones and light rainbow tones. So it really came out quite lovely. That is just gorgeous right there. Right there. That area here is my favorite. We have to do some coasters that color. And then, whoops, here is the ring holder pyramid. I hope you learned something on this video. I sure did. I was afraid my pyramid would explode, and it didn't. And my resin was heating up pretty quickly. Sometimes it heats up faster than other times, depending on the size of cup that you mix it in and that kind of thing. So you really have to really pay attention to what your resin is doing. And when it starts warming, you know that you have just minutes to really kind of complete whatever you're going to do. to be on the safe side. Thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you on the next video. Bye bye.